Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Nikki here. So today I have done a video on this sleek pony. I obviously wear extensions, so it can be a little bit difficult to get it really sleek, but I've shown you guys the products that I use and what tools I use also just to get it really nice, sleek and straight back. Some of you guys on Instagram ask me all the time how I do this, and it is very simple, but I just wanted to put a tutorial together for you guys. And I've obviously finished the look off with a bold lip and hoops, because I feel like no pony is complete without that. So if you want to see how I created this hair, I was going to say makeup tutorial, but this hair, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm starting off with my hair looking a pretty hot mess. If you guys don't know, then I do get sewn in wefts. I get them like tripled, and I get quite a few of them, so that's why my hair is so thick. But what we're going to do to start off with this tied up sleek pony is I'm actually just going to gather my hair. Now, if you guys do wear extensions, especially tracks, you know it is difficult to try and get that smoothness. So I'm going to be using my Got To Be Glued. This is the Blasting Freeze hairspray. It's amazing. And I'm going to be using like a smoothing brush from Boots. But first I'm going to take a Tangle Teaser, and then I'm going to brush all of my hair up, just trying to get it as smooth as possible. My baby hairs are also quite crazy. I feel like after I waxed them, they went crazy when they grew back. So what I do to tame all that is I take the hairspray, I spray it, and then with the smoothing brush, I will just use it to smooth over the hair. Now, I know this seems really simple, but it wasn't until a hairdresser really did this to my hair that I understood that I could do it, and it does really achieve a really beautiful, sleek pony. So you want to just keep spraying, and I actually do this to my baby hairs as well, where I smooth them up into the hair. Therefore they're out of the way and you don't see all that craziness, and it's just really sleek. Now, I have issues with my extensions because I like them quite thick. I have to get them kind of like quadrupled or tripled, which means that they're a little bit more bulky. So I just kind of live with that and just get it as smooth as possible. This will give you an arm ache as well. And then I'm going to be using this hair tie. I don't actually know what it's called, but I'll try and find out for you guys. It's got 2 hooks at the end, but it will tie your hair super tight. So you hook it on one end, and it's an elastic, so then you just pop this elastic all the way around. Now, I know that you could do it with just normal elastic and bobby pin as well. This is super easy because it's got the hooks on it already for you. So you take it all the way around and then hook it on the other end as well, and that is your hair tie. I just find that this keeps my hair really tight and secure, and then you just want to flip your hair back. Now, I always like to just hide the rubber band with a thick strand, just because I think it looks a little bit better put together. So just keep rolling that around the hairband and then secure that at the back as well with a bobby pin. It just looks that much nicer, just really nicely put together, and it just adds to the whole sleekness. Now, for baby hairs, I'm going to be using my iconic brush with a little bit of that hairspray, as you can see here, quite a lot actually. And then I'm going to be just using this to get rid of any of the baby hairs that might still be kind of stranded. The hairspray's not got to it, just to create a really nice sleek look, just because I have quite a few of them. And then also around my forehead area, I like to just take a little bit, the tiniest bit of hairs out, just because I feel like it looks nicer. I've got a bigger forehead and I like to just do that. I'm going to straighten my pony with my GHD straighteners as well, just to get it looking really sleek. And you can also backcomb this pony if you want it to look thicker. I didn't feel like I needed it thicker. I just wanted it really nice and sleek and straight. So just taking the straighteners down the whole of my hair, just making sure that I haven't got any frizzies in it. Then what I like to pair a sleek pony with is definitely a bold lip. I feel like that kind of winey, maroony red lip looks beautiful with a high sleek pony, especially because I'm wearing a khaki t-shirt as well. I'm just going to line my lips with this Technic chunky lip liner. I'll leave the shade down below. And then I've got 2 liquid lipsticks. I've got MAC High Drama, and look at the depth of colour to this. It's got more of a kind of purple wine undertone, and it needs a few layers, else it can be a bit patchy. So I did just work this onto the lips. And I go really close and awkward when I'm really trying to get my lipstick correct. You guys all know if you wear bold lip, it's just so difficult to try and get it symmetrical and perfect. So I'm going to go in with High Drama. Then I also take a little bit of the NARS liquid lip. This is more of a red. Pop it in the center, and then I use a brush just to blend these two out and get the perfect kind of bold lip that I want. I love mixing shades just to get that beautiful perfect match for me. Now, I don't feel like any kind of sleek high pony is finished without a little bit of highlight, so I'm just going to add a little bit of my Ofra highlighter as well on the high points of the face
and just look at the highlight glow. And also what I love is just a pair of hoop earrings. So these ones are from Primark, and I'm going to pop these bad boys in as well. Just to finish the whole look off, I think it looks really nice with a high pony. It makes me feel super, super sassy as well.
So guys, that is it for my sleek pony. Let me know what you thought of it down below. Also follow me on Instagram if you don't already, because I have tutorials going up there every single day, and I have a lot more hair tutorials as well. Not that many, but I have more than I do on YouTube. Let me know if you want to see more hair tutorials on my channel down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you do, and as per usual, I love you guys so very much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.